Hi everyone, Angela here. I just want to share with you what I have underneath my cutting mat. It's a large piece of thin sheet metal that I had cut to about the same size as the mat. I bought several of these edge guide magnets that are about 1 by 2 inches and attached these cute little crystal drawer knobs onto them. I just had to shorten the screws, but you could just glue it onto a magnet. They make it so much easier to grab and move them. Even through the thickness of this mat, it has a really good hold. It's so easy for pattern placement. Even when I'm pulling on the pattern piece, it stays put. Even when I use thicker fabric and cardboard patterns, the magnet still holds it in place really well. I can easily cut the fabric without even holding on to the pattern piece. So this is just another option if you don't like using pins or weights. Thanks again for watching. Until next time, take care and happy sewing.